Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to send money on PayPal through friends and family. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can see I'm on the PayPal app on my iPhone. You can do this on the PayPal app on an iPhone Android, or you can just go to paypal.com. Now, the first thing we need to do is either have a PayPal balance that you're going to send money through friends and family, or if you don't have that, you can tap on accounts at the bottom left and then just scroll down until you get to linked banks and cards. Keep in mind, you need a checking account, debit card, savings account, something like that. If you don't have it, you can hit add new and add a bank account or a debit or a credit card to be able to pull funds from that account. And then through PayPal, you're going to send it through friends and family. So you need an account linked. After you've done that, let's hit the send and request button at the very bottom center. And you're going to choose the person. So you can search for them. You can either type in their name, username, email, or mobile phone number. In my case, I'm going to choose my brother Tyler here. And I'm going to send him $1 as friends and family. Now I can add a little note on here. Let's add a little note that says hi. And then hit the send button. Now, after I've done that, it will show the bank account that it's going to pull those funds from, and then it shows friends and family. If I tap on that, you can see it says either for goods and services, where you can get a full refund and you get all sorts of protections and all that stuff, or friends and family, where it doesn't apply. Let's, for instance, just to choose goods and services. You'll be able to see if you choose that, then keep in mind everything will be delivered completely free of charge to you, but the other person might have to pay fees when they receive that money. So all you need to do is choose friends and family. By doing so, you can see PayPal fee is $0 on both sides, my side as well as the person that I'm sending money to. So there won't be any fees charged throughout either one. And then you can just hit the send button and you can see estimated delivery in seconds. They'll get those funds. They'll be able to bring them into their PayPal account and even bring them back into their debit card or credit card, whatever they want after that. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.